Assalamu alaikum everyone. Learn English easily at home. If you think you need a classroom or a teacher to learn English, that's not true anymore. You can learn English right from your home if you follow the right simple steps. First, start with your daily environment. Look around your house and try to try to name things in English like door, table, fan, phone. This builds your basic vocabulary naturally. Second, use your phone for learning. Watch short English videos every day. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening again and again. Third, practice speaking at home. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. I am cooking, I am studying, I am going outside. This builds confidence. Fourth, learn a few new words every day and try to use them in sentence immediately. And finally, be consistent. Learning at home works only when you do it every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember this, your home can be your best English classroom. So start today and improve step by step. Thank you. Keep learning, keep shining.